Probably cut passenger and back up.
Yeah, I'd cut towards me and back up. Slow. Hard passenger, like all the way. Alright, slow. Going? Keep going back. Hard passenger. Hard driver. Hard driver.
Cut it more driver. Right there. Take it wider. There you go. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. Keep it right there. Go a little bit more driver. More driver. Keep it right. That way. Driver. There you go. Right there. Right there. Straighten it out a little bit. All right, you're gonna drop just a little bit. Driver, hard driver, hard driver.
Ooh, money. That's what I like.
Keep coming, driver. Straighten out. You're good. You got a little drop. All right, start cutting hard passenger. Straighten out. You're good. That's fine. Climb it and then start. That way. Okay. Just when you can, go that way. All right, you're good. Straighten out. You're good. Hard this way. There you go, right there. Hard, hard, hard. You're good. Go. Right there. Hard that way. There you go. Come on. Actually, keep it up that way. Yeah, keep it up that way. You're good. You're good. Start to come down that way now. Straighten it out. There you go. How was that for a little sideways pucker?
Was that 3 wheels?
Your suspension did pretty good.